guys, I'll be showing you a video of a tech deck on how to do a tech deck backflip. It's simple. To do that, you don't just shove it. Like if you just shove it, you won't be able to land it. You might be able to land it, but it might not be official. I'm still practicing this. I don't even know if this is an official trick. It's just a freestyle trick, maybe. There, so I'm teaching you. First, your finger placements. You need to put your first your middle finger. Your middle finger right there. And then you put this right there. Your index finger somewhere right here. Not right here. Not this much, not this much. Maybe somewhere like right there. Then that, you pop it. And your index finger will like even it out, so it will just keep still. If you just like pop it like that, you just go like, it will do the flip, but keep doing, it will like get out of control, and then land like that. So I can't like that, just like that. I'm still practicing to shove it. It's like, I'm a beginner at it, like, I can't do it. So, this is a how-to on how to do a backflip with tech decks. Okay, see you.